Say man, hey man, it's your boy Booster Fit checking in with another video. And this video is for the people that are on the fence about starting YouTube or doing anything, man. Stop making excuses, man. That's the easy way out. So many times people want to throw all these reasons into a situation as to why they're not doing it. I don't have this, I don't have that, I don't have the time, I don't have the equipment. Man, that's the easy way out, man. Y'all got to stop making those excuses, man. And you know, everybody has their New Year resolution and all that stuff. Nothing is wrong with that. You know, so many times I hear people saying, "Oh, you just gonna do something for the New Year. You're gonna stop doing it." Well, it don't matter, man. Whatever you had planned to do and you didn't get to do it last year in 2024, 2025 just started, and you have the opportunity to go out and do everything that you set out to do in 2024. The days are going by fast, and time don't wait for nobody. And for you to sit around and keep waiting, you are letting your time diminish. Okay, your opportunities to do something diminish. You know, it's just going down day by day. And as you get older, things start to change. Not saying when you're older you can't do certain things, but you know, you don't want to let the opportunities pass you by, because you can easily sit back and be like, man, I'm going to do it tomorrow. I'm going to do it next week. I'm going to do it then. No. Start now. Start today. If you see this video, God wanted you to see this video because this video may help you when it comes to motivation. Okay, I just want to motivate you to go out and do everything you set out to do last year that you didn't get done. Okay, January is the first month of the year. Okay, and my goal for this year is to have 5 streams of income. I'm a full-time content creator. I made that decision a few years ago, and I'm sticking to it, you know, and I just want to get better and better and better and better each year. And I slacked up on this channel right here, not on purpose, you know what I'm saying, but I slacked up on this channel, and I'm really just trying to get this channel back to where it should be as far as being monetized. Okay, that's one of my biggest goals for this year. I have other goals too, you know what I'm saying. I'm into affirmations, and I believe in you know, speaking things into existence. Okay, and I told my wife, I promised my wife that I will get this channel monetized. Okay, and I will get it monetized, and I will work on those 5 streams of income. Okay, right now I have 3 streams of income. I need 2 more. This channel right here will be 4, and I'm gonna make 5. Well, I'm monetized on Facebook too, so you can count Facebook, but you know, I really don't be posting on Facebook, and I need to start posting on Facebook. So technically, I say 4 streams of income because I do make money on Facebook, but I'm not posting on there like I should be. So that's another thing that I'm going to get back to doing, man, posting consistently on Facebook. But Facebook, it's a little bit harder, man. I got to really get in and see what I have to do in order to make a consistent amount of money on Facebook. Okay, so the goal is for me 5 streams of income. Okay, I have well, let me make sure. So I'll say I have 4, and this channel will make it 5. Okay, that's why I'm posting on this channel every single day. I started a few days ago, and so far so good, man. The watch time is up on this channel, and I really do like that. And I just got to come on and make different videos and see what works and see what don't work. Even if they don't work, man, I'm still going to post the content. I'm still going to come over here and tell you guys how I feel. But, you know, I really just want you to understand that starting today is the best thing that you can do. If you see this video, if you hear my voice, start today. I don't care what it is. Stop making excuses and start today. That's what it's all about. That's the word for the day. Start today. Okay? Don't sit around and wait on your friend. Don't sit around and wait on your family members. The strangers are going to help you. Okay? You're a stranger to me. Okay? Because I'm pretty sure my video probably popped up and you seen it and you're like, oh, he's talking to me. Yes, I want you to feel that way. I want you to feel like I'm talking to you. Like back in the days when the preachers used to preach, or the pastors, however you want to word it, they used to preach, and they'll talk about stuff in church that would directly relate to you, and they'll call it stepping on your toes. That's what they used to say back in the days. You know what I'm saying? So if they talked about you and you were in church that particular, where they talked in general, and you felt like the sermon was talking about you, then they'll say they're stepping on your toes. You know what I'm saying? And that's what I want this video to do for you. If you are on the fence about anything that you want to start for 2025, this video is for you. I want to step on your toes. I want to motivate you. I want you to get out there and start today on any and everything that you had planned to do last year in 2024. This is a new year. Okay? New year, new you, new plans, new goals, new money. Okay? New you, new plans, new goals, new money. I don't even think I said all whatever I said at first, but you get the point. Okay? We want some of that new money, man. You know, I'm talking about that 2025. We want that new money. Okay? And you can get that new money on YouTube. You can get that new money on TikTok. You can get that new money on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. It don't matter. You can get that new money. Get to that paper, man. You know what I'm talking about? That's what this video is about, man. Get to the paper. Any and everything can be content. Record it. Okay? Document your journey. If you're on a weight loss journey right now, that will be the biggest documentation ever. Okay? If you weigh a certain amount of weight and you want to lose weight, there is somebody out there that's trying to lose weight just like you. And that video you post, guess what? They will see it and they will get motivated and want to lose weight because of you. And that will be your service to the world right there, man. Somebody can see your video and they can get motivated and want to lose weight. Somebody can see your video that can motivate them to want to get off the couch and go do DoorDash, okay? Go do some type of an order or something like that, man. Like, that's do Uber or anything. You know what I'm saying? Like, that person may step on your toes. And that will make you get up. If somebody step on my toe, I'm like, hey. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's the feeling. Somebody step on your toes, it wake you up. Okay? Because you don't want nobody stepping on your toes. And I'm trying to step on your toes on purpose. Okay? So, if you see this video, like seriously, if you see this video, make sure my mic is on. If you see this video and you feel like I'm talking to you, so what? Okay? I want you to feel some type of way. Okay? I want to offend you. I want to motivate you at the same time because that's what this video is for. I'm not bashing nobody. I'm not saying you can't do something. I'm saying you can. I'm saying I want you to. I'm saying I want you to turn that camera on. You know, I've been lacking for a long time, and it's crazy that recording things and talking has been sort of my calling, so to speak. I remember, man, my mom bought me a camera a long time ago. And at the time, I was the person in my family always recording everything, okay? Nobody else was doing it. I was always recording something. And my mom, she does it too. She takes a lot of pictures or whatever. But I was always recording, like, the events. You know, if it was a birthday, a funeral, what else? Thanksgiving, Christmas, 4th of July. And I was the person that always recorded everything, and I still have those two cameras. My mom bought, it was a camcorder actually, and I still got it. You know what I'm saying? It's full of old memories, and in life, that's how we got, man. We got memories, and these videos will be memories, okay? Somebody can see this video later on down the line, man, and it's something that you put on YouTube one time that will stay on YouTube forever, unless you delete it, okay? And I just have to start making more videos, documenting things, you know what I'm saying? Talking about different things and recording things and talking about it and hearing what you guys have to say. I think that is what's going to make my channel big. And I really do believe that. I really do believe this channel is going to be big this year. And that's the motivation that I have inside me to get out there and make these videos. Try new foods. Like I was telling my wife, man, like, I don't eat certain foods, but guess what? I could go out and try certain foods and document it. Put it on YouTube, man. It's somebody out there that feel the same way I feel. I don't drink, but I'm not going to drink. I don't smoke. I don't do any of that. I don't even curse. I say hell, but that's not a curse word. But anyway, I want to try new foods. You know, we want to travel and go to new places, and I want to record that. You know what I'm saying? Even though we go places all the time, but I never, ever record and post it on the internet. You know what I'm saying? So that could be something that I can document. If you're one of those people that like to travel, you go all over the world, record that stuff, man. Put it on YouTube. Do a voiceover if you feel like you don't want to have your face on the camera. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's so many ways that you can monetize this stuff. And I just want to motivate you guys right here today in order to go out there and do what you need to do. This was just a quick video motivating you guys to do the unthinkable. You know what I'm saying? Step out on faith. Forget what somebody got to say. You know what I'm saying? If you got your camera out all the time, hey man, if they don't want to be on camera, just don't record them. But pull that camera out, record those moments, document those moments, okay? Because there's always somebody out there that's looking for the content that you think nobody wants to see, but they really want to see it. You know what I'm saying? So if you are with me, man, get in the comments, interact with other small creators, because this channel is small. I have about 2,000 subscribers, and I'm trying to get this channel monetized. So I need you guys to get in the comments and interact with other people, man, so we all can grow at the same time, man. Love those that love you, and I'm out of here like last year, y'all. Ciao!